Hi guys, are you looking for IT job opportunities in Luxembourg? Do you have IT qualification? Do you have the experience or the expertise to work in the IT industry in Luxembourg? I'm gonna show you what to do. I'm gonna take you through the process and what you need to do to work in this high demanding profession in Luxembourg. But before I go ahead with that, if you are interested in studying at the University of Luxembourg, I want to let you know that application for the next academic session, 2024-2025 academic session, will commence in February next year. Application for 2025-2026 academic session, I beg your pardon, will commence in February next year until April for non-EU nationals. If you want to really increase your chances of getting admitted at the University of Luxembourg, why don't you start that process now and get all your documents ready? Don't waste your time and wait till the very last minute. This year alone, I can confirm that more than 10 people have already secured an admission to study at the University of Luxembourg. That is those that told me about the admission status. And among those people, 3 of them has already gotten their temporary authorization to stay application approved already. And one of them actually wants to meet me once he arrives Luxembourg. And if I'm free, I'm going to meet him as well. I think we might actually do a video together so that he can inspire you guys as well. For you to know that if you work hard, if you're consistent, and if you really are vision driven, you can achieve your goals. All these people, I was able to guide them by God's grace. Some of them, most of them sent me a DM, responding to their questions on my YouTube channel and everything. And they followed the instruction, and by themselves, they were able to secure an admission. And some of them now are bound to be in Luxembourg very soon. This is what I do. I want to see people succeed. I want to see people have access to the right information. And when they succeed, I feel fulfilled. All this while I've been helping people through this process, nobody has paid me anything. Go and verify. No one has paid me nothing, because what drives me in doing this is different from what drives others. I want to impact people's life through my experience, my exposure, and my knowledge. And for you to know that you can achieve your goals genuinely if you truly work hard and you are consistent and stubborn with your goals. And when I see you guys succeed, I'm fulfilled. It makes me happy because that's what matters, impacting lives. Now let's go into it. So Luxembourg IT job opportunities. I have my research paper here because I want to make sure I have every facts. This channel is unique. I don't just make videos. I do a lot of research before I come online to upload anything. So guys, I'm ready for you guys. So Luxembourg IT job opportunities. If you're a software developer, data scientist, cybersecurity expert, and other kinds of IT skills, you might probably be looking at Luxembourg. It's an emerging place now. So for you to be able to work in this field, Luxembourg is a highly professional country. You need to have some educational qualifications and skills for working in IT industry in Luxembourg. And this includes solid foundation in technology and digital skills, all right? Most of this role might need a 4-year higher education degree, especially in areas like computer engineering and robust knowledge of programming, data analysis, and technology. An IT field includes information technology, such as computer systems, software programs, programming languages, processing of data, and of course, computer science also a subset of a broader field known as information and communication technology. There are several domains that covers this IT field. I'm just want to give you guys some background. Computer science, software development, network and storage, cybersecurity, and data. There's also an emerging domain now which includes blockchain, cryptocurrency, and artificial intelligence, or AI. Okay, this is a very important thriving sector, right? So a foundation education is very, very important. And this offering solid computer science knowledge, which is very, very also useful, very important, while fostering skills such as programming skills, coding, programming improvement, problem solving, and logical reasoning. These are all important for you to work in this field. And you can actually get a job in IT field in Luxembourg while from your countries, from third world countries, if you understand the process and if you have the skills and if you can be able to equip yourself, and you can begin to see that you can make applications from your home country, and you might see yourself working in this highly lucrative IT sector in Luxembourg. When I was I think I met one guy at my church in Luxembourg. He's from Nigeria, I think from Abia State. He got a job in IT sector in Luxembourg all the way from Nigeria. And he came to Luxembourg to work as an IT expert from Nigeria. I don't know his area of specialization, but I know it was an IT field. So you can do it. All you need is the right information and the consistency of purpose. Remember, you have the power to bend reality and create your own future. So let's proceed. Some of the popular specialization in IT includes big data, database management, app development, back-end and front-end programming, specific programming language orientation, network administration, cybersecurity, blockchain, artificial intelligence, geographic information systems, of course, telecommunication. And if you also have some certification, IT specialist certification, this can also boost your chances for job opportunities in IT sector and especially in Luxembourg. Certification like Amazon Web Service, AWS, Certified Oracle, MySQL, Professional, Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, Salesforce Developer Certification. This certification will really help you to boost your chances to working in this field. And among others, hold this substantial value, and it will elevate your career if you have them. Apart from your basic educational qualification, they showcase specialized expertise and make you a sought-after professionals in this highly competitive IT job market and highly well-paid IT job market. Now let's look at IT jobs available in Luxembourg. We're getting to the meat of the matter now. So let's look at IT jobs available in Luxembourg. Although Luxembourg is well known for being a financial hub in the European Union, okay, the banking and finance sector is highly well known in Luxembourg. This is a known fact, right? However, the backbone of this industry, the banking and finance, relies heavily on a strong, robust computer systems and networks. And that means those in IT professionals are kind of working synergistically with those in banking and finance. So the more demanding the banking and finance is, they also rely on the IT professionals to function. So that means in Luxembourg, IT experts are really in high demand. And of course, Luxembourg stands out as one of the highest startup investment levels in Europe. You can go and verify this. One of the highest startup investment levels in Europe. And the capital, the capital of Luxembourg is Luxembourg City, okay, is held as a venture capital of the European Union, hosting offices of major venture capital firms. That means more possibilities, more chances, and more opportunities to work in this IT industry. So that means Luxembourg is technologically driven, thriving landscape, and the demand for IT professionals is steadily and consistently increasing. Now let's look at the top 10 professions and job ideas for the IT sphere in Luxembourg. 1. Computer technician. 2. Support specialist. 3. Web developer. 4. IT security specialist. 5. Computer programmer. 6. Network engineer. 7. Database administrator. 8. IT security specialist. 9. Data scientist. By the way, at the University of Luxembourg, they offer interesting masters data science. So you might just be there. From there, you find yourself into the IT industry in Luxembourg. And there you go. Start earning big money. Wait for it. By the way, have you subscribed? Come on, guys. Subscribe right now. Hit the like button and share this video. So where do you look for a job in Luxembourg in this IT field? There are a lot of job portals that operate globally. For example, eures.europa.eu, eures.europa.eu. This is European Union's portal for jobs. Okay, so you can check it out. And then you can filter it to different countries of your choice. Of course, Luxembourg, definitely, you're going to see advertised jobs there as well. Okay? There's also eurojobs.com. There's eurojobsites.com, expatrier.com, indeed.com, of course, you all know that, page.com, and linkedin.com. Then local job search machine portals. These for local opportunities in Luxembourg. The popular prominent ones or portals include jobfinder.lu, jobs.lu, monster.lu, and moviejob.com. Each of these portals offers a unique set of opportunities or chances, allowing you to kind of tailor or filter your job search to your preferences and your career goals and desires. Now, I'm going to give you some list of Luxembourg companies that are recruiting in the IT field. Just a list of them, and you can explore them, visit their website and see what they can offer. Okay? Amazon. Amazon has a great presence in Luxembourg. I used to have a friend, I have a friend that I know, the person works in Amazon for many years and the person is still there and they really pay them really well. So some of the companies that recruit in this IT field includes Amazon, Bio Bank is a Luxembourg-based bank. Some of you might need to speak French language. I beg your pardon. But of course, some of these companies are multinationals. They also have foreign expertise that speaks English. So they also need English workers as well. You also have Advanzia Bank, ARNS Group, ARNS Group, CFL, Adwelseo, that's ADWAISEO, Talindus Luxembourg. This Talindus Luxembourg they provides holistic ICT and telecom solutions, and they kind of Talindus accompanies businesses and public administrations in their digital transformation. And they also have CREOS, CREOS. They're responsible for electricity and natural gas grid in Luxembourg. CREOS plans, maintains, and operates these essential networks. Okay? And you also have, of course, Post Luxembourg, a major employer in the country. Post Luxembourg is a state-owned postal and telecommunications corporation that also offers financial services and constantly needs IT professionals. Of course, the mighty one, University of Luxembourg. This is a major public university in Luxembourg, and it serves as the epicenter of education and research. I am so proud to have been a graduate of the University of Luxembourg. I did my second master's right there, and I cannot keep saying this because I'm proud of that university. I got my second master's in integrated system biology, and I can tell you, if you find yourself at that university, you gotta have a lot of opportunities. They actually have a job portal, University of Luxembourg job portal. You can actually look for jobs there, PhD in IT field, computer science, engineering, whatever. You can also do a master's in computer science or data science, and from that route, you can get yourself into the IT industry in Luxembourg, and you can really have a great opportunities for you to explore and become really successful. So the University of Luxembourg is another company, another institution that serves as a hub for education and research, and they contribute immensely to the country's intellectual landscape. Yes, I can attest to that. So this company is offered, there's also several other private companies in Luxembourg that needs IT experts. And these companies offer diverse opportunities in the IT sector, reflecting the breadth and the coverage of technology landscape in Luxembourg. And if you want to build a university-based career, here's the tips. Find yourself to University of Luxembourg, okay? Start with a PhD or even with masters, okay? Imagine masters in computer science, computer engineering, information systems, master in data science. When you finish your master's in data science, you gotta get a PhD because you have more chances of getting a PhD if you do your master's at the University of Luxembourg. Yes, if you know what you're doing, if you're hardworking, you have more chances. And from the master's, PhD at the University of Luxembourg, and the PhD program, they pay them almost like 40,000 euros yearly. That's a lot of money. So you can actually find your way to the University of Luxembourg and build your career in IT field. Think about it. That's a tip for you guys. Now let's look at the salary range. Wait for it. This is going to blow your mind. What salary can you expect to earn in the IT sector in Luxembourg? In Luxembourg, the mighty Luxembourg. In Luxembourg, I need to make sure I put this figure properly because I have the paper here. In Luxembourg, the salary range for information technology IT professionals ranges from 3,702 euros average minimum wage and 8,028 euros average highest median wage based on 2024 data. So you're going to be earning between 3,000 to 8,000 euros monthly. That's huge. That's huge, okay? But you have to work for it. And the journey starts now with the right information and you too taking the necessary steps towards achieving that your goals. Remember, dreams are not enough. You can sit down in your house and dream all you like without any corresponding action, and not just action, consistent action. You cannot achieve anything. Talk is cheap. You must back your words with action and consistently. When it comes to your destiny, when it comes to your goals and aspirations, you must be stubborn with your goals and don't take no for an answer. You keep going, keep knocking at that door, keep knocking there, don't stop until you get an answer. That's the spirit of men, billionaires. You gotta keep going until you get there. Now, salary in IT in 2024 for Luxembourg. IT analyst earns between 4,000 to 8,936 euros per month. The salary range per month for IT analysts between 4,000 to 8,900 euros per month. Back-end developer between 4,000 to 9,936 euros per month. Front-end developer between 4,000 to 8,195 euros per month. C programmer between 4,000 to 9,656 euros per month. C star, whatever. I don't know how this sign, you know what it means. C++ programmer, C, is it dollar sign, this kind of sign programmer, between 4,000 to 8,826 euros per month. C++ programmer, between 5,000 to 10,468 euros. Oh my gosh. Between 5,000 to 10,468 euros. This is typical wage range for C++ programmer. Then IT project manager, between 5,000 to 10,000 euros per month. That's huge. IT project manager, between 5,000 to 10,468 euros per month. Data scientist. Imagine if you have your master's at the University of Luxembourg, MSc in data science, and then you begin to work in IT field as a data scientist, or you got a PhD in that field. You're going to be earning between 3,000 to 7,471 euros per month as a data scientist in Luxembourg. iOS developer, between 4,000 to 12,037 euros. This is the highest range. iOS developer, between 4,000 to 12,000 euros a month. Android developer. I got my Samsung phone. Right. Android developer, between 4,000 to 10,581 euros per month. And that's all I have for you today. So remember that what papers you need as a foreigner for IT job in Luxembourg. So if you got a job offer, you need to apply for your visa, your temporary authorization to stay, resident permit to work in Luxembourg. If you're an EU national, you don't need any visa because there's freedom to live and work in any European country. However, if you're from third country, non-EU, you must apply for your visa that will allow you to work in Luxembourg. You need to have your passport, an international passport ready. You need to get copies of your passport. I need to get proof of accommodation in Luxembourg, an employment contract, and payment of application visa fees as well. So these are just basic things you might need. And sometimes your prospective employer will guide you through the process on how to apply for your work permit, your resident permit or visa to work in Luxembourg. So this is just to help you understand that IT field in Luxembourg is flourishing, the demand is increasing, and you can actually build a strong career in that field. You can also start from studying at the University of Luxembourg, and through that process, if you are doing computer science, computer engineering course, data science, after graduation, you might have a lot of opportunities to work in this thriving, ever-increasing, demanding sector in Luxembourg, and you're going to be earning big money, between 4,000 to 10,000 euros per month. You can make a lot of money, but you have to put the hard work. Remember, you have the power to bend reality and create your own future. If you have the right information, if you are genuinely interested in making success in life, and if you avoid crime, anything that's going to dent your image, avoid them. Be clean, be transparent, be honest. Work hard, believe in yourself, build your skills, and be patient, and consistently pursue your goals. You will get there. You will get there. There's no way you can fail if you understand who you are and the essence of your existence, and you consistently pursue your goals. You will get there. Learn how to ignore the noise. A lot of people will not believe in you. It's okay. They will doubt you. They will think you're not good enough. But you must not doubt yourself. You must believe in yourself, the talent that God has put in you. And once you discover who you are and the essence of your existence, and they have the next thing for you to surrender to your talent, surrender to your gifts, surrender to whom God has designed you to be, and then learn how to sharpen your skills and abilities, and then unleash them to your world and see yourself prosper. Because when you have what people are looking for, they will find you. And when they do, success. Make yourself highly indispensable that people cannot avoid you because you're so good. The power is in you. Remember, you have the power to bend reality.
I need your touch
your own future.
in my life
Today. I am the manifestor. Thank you. And God bless you. Real good. Bye for now. See you guys soon.